Okay, hi Kasun, and welcome here. Thank you so much for this opportunity. So first of all, could you please present yourself, introduce yourself, and talk a little bit about your research?
Yeah, my name is Kasun Bodawatta, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher affiliated with the University of Copenhagen and also with the Lund University in Sweden. I am a community ecologist interested in understanding interactions between vertebrate hosts and their microbial symbionts with a focus on gut microbiomes and the malaria infections. And one of my current projects is going to focus on how microbes modulate the immune system, defenses against malaria infections in wild birds. So I'm very excited to get started with this project.
Of course. Okay, so could you please tell us what was your motivation for joining WIMANET and which benefit, an example of benefit that you get from WIMANET?
Yeah, like I said, I'm a community ecologist, so I entered the field of malaria as an interaction, because I was interested in the host-parasite interactions, and then WIMANET provide a opportunity or a place where you have a lot of people who've been working on malaria for a long time or in different aspects of wildlife malaria, and I actually started learning quite a bit in the parasitological side, and so this was like one of my main motivation to join WIMANET, to actually meet people and make connections that people have done a lot of malaria research, and then get that side insights from the malaria itself or the parasitology side.
Okay, and some experience you want to share with us that you have had, or part of your group, or people you know might have in WIMANET during these 2 years?
It's been wonderful because I actually got to meet quite a bit of people from different backgrounds, and then learn about how people do specific things, and it's also helped me to create new collaborations, and it was super nice. One of the examples is because we managed to support the short-term scientific missions, and then one of the PhD students at the last workshop approached me, and it was so nice, and then she wanted to come to Copenhagen and then learn how to do bioinformatic analysis on microbiome of experiment they have, and then it was very nice because then I actually got to gain some supervision skills, and also it actually created a very new and very nice collaboration with her and also her group and the group members. That was very nice, and also now I also got to meet people to talk about different future grant options. I'm an early career researcher, so that gives me a very nice foundation to think about my future, and also to see how I can get competences that I don't have to write grants and talk about.
Yeah, a lot of new ideas, new experience.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Great. Well, thank you so much for this interview. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, now we are going to do the other question, okay? So this is like a funny question. We are doing some funny questions to the researchers. So for you, I choose the one that is, what's the most unusual thing you've ever carried in your backpack during your research?
Yeah, so maybe it's not so unusual for other people, but we had a project where we collected some alcohol specimens of birds. Then I needed to transport it back to my lab, so then I had a few great tips in alcohol specimens in my backpack while I was traveling. So I didn't want to put it in my hand luggage.
But by plane or?
No, this was by train.
By train.
Yeah, but still it's very unusual.
It is. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, it was very nice.